quick guide to recover your Google account. Have you lost access to your Google account? Don't worry. We're here to help you recover it quickly and securely with these simple steps. Go to the recovery page. First, visit the Google account recovery page to get started. Enter your recovery info. Now, type in the email address or phone number linked to your Google account. This is your first step to regaining access. Follow the prompts. Google will guide you through the recovery process. Be ready to provide your full name associated with the account, a verification code sent to your email or phone. Confirm your identity. Next, you'll need to confirm your identity. This may involve answering some questions, including previous passwords you used, the last time you accessed your account, verification through a recovery email or device, access or reset your account. Once verified, you'll see your Google account or be given an option to reset your password if necessary. Helpful tip. To make future recoveries easier, keep your recovery info updated at myaccount.google.com. You're now ready to access your Google services again.